Hoy! Andyan ka pala! And andito na naman ako. And today, we do have a box. Yes, a box. And we're doing unboxing. So, tara! Okay, this one is... So, I did tell you guys that I have not bought a plant for the last time I said was a month and a half, so I'm assuming, like, guesstimating it's been 2 months now that I haven't bought plants. Like, I haven't shelled out money for plants. Okay, but you tell me if this counts or not. So this came from Wicked Little Wolves Pottery from the name. So yeah, all the way from, what is DE? Delaware? I think that is Delaware. Delaware, you know, Ate Mavis. DE. It's not Denmark. It's in the United States. I think it's Delaware. But yeah, so it's the first time I ordered from this business. It's a small business. So yeah, I just, if you already know, I do highly encourage people to support small businesses, because who else will support them but us, right? I've been following her on Instagram because of, I forgot who shared her, I think it was Ian who shared her giveaway, and then I saw her creations, and here we are. I finally got a hold of her creations during her recent restock, and I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, so this one, I got 2. I was blessed enough to get a hold of 2. Which Hoya should I plant here? I think I'm gonna do a repotting with you after I unpot these. So this is a burger guy pot. Burger. You see, it has like the burger, the lettuce, the tomato, and the sesame seeds. And it does have a drainage hole, so it is perfect. And there's her, what do you call that? Trademark, or yeah, logo. So this is the burger guy. Very cute guy. And then I got another one, so I got 2. Her listings do sell pretty quick, so if you want to buy multiple ones, just pay for it. Like, so what I did, I just checked out one by one, because I was scared that if I do collect it in my cart, someone will grab it. But the good thing is, before she ships it, she will refund you the shipping for the other one, as long as it's within her, she has, what is it, guidelines on packing, I think. Okay, so this one, I am so happy because, oh, and she packed, oh, she even gave me a tea. I got a tea. Ate Mavi, sinama. And I got a tea. Yeah, this is a little guy that has a donut, and I got a free tea. Yay! Gonna be sipping on it. So yeah, this is a handmade ceramic pot by Wicked Little Wolves Pottery. Oh, and I got a free tea. Yes, so I guess this is a lefty, because yeah, so that's our unboxing. I'm gonna do a quick insert here of me potting up something in here. So ta-da! Okay, so I have here the hamburger guy, and then my choice of Hoya that's been rooting. This is the Hoya Saba, forgot the name, but I'll type it down below, that I got from April of UPT, like last time I was there. And I do have my rinsed PON. I do rinse my PON because it does have a residue, and then it can clog your drainage if you don't. So I do have a process on doing that. I'm gonna link it up there. And yeah, and then with that with all those gunk, if you think about it, that might also clog the root system of your plants. That's just what I'm thinking. But then again, they grow in soil. But then, well, in my opinion, it doesn't look healthy if I don't rinse it. It will just disrupt the growth of the plant in the sense that it's muddy and murky. So yeah, so I rinse it. So what I do, I just put some PON at the bottom like that. I hope you can see it, and then situate the plant the way I want it to be situated. I think it's gonna be cute this way, don't you think? It's gonna be like its little bangs or hair. And then we're just gonna put more PON. So that's just how I would do that. And then I know I already did some potting, but for the maintenance, because this one obviously there's no reservoir in this pot, but there is a drainage hole. So if you look at the pond right now, this is what a dry pond would look like. A wet pond would look like. And then once it's dry, you can really see that those dark lava rocks will turn into gray. So that could be your indication of when to water, or when to soak, or yeah, basically when to water the pond of the plant. Just like with soil, when it's dry, you water it. But since this one, I'm just transitioning to from water. I did propagate this Hoya in water. That's my go-to propagation for my personal collection. I would be keeping this pond or its potting media more on the moist side first, because those roots that it has developed is more used to wet environment. So get acclimated a little bit, and that's it. And yeah, this little clip of me potting in pond is for you, Johanna. So that's how I just do it. That's how I pot. But again, for maintenance, just like what I mentioned, once this potting media turns gray, like you can see, it's a little dark right now because it's wet like that. Once it turns gray, let me see if I can. No, I can't find the dry media, because the dry media that I have is dirty, so it's gonna be more darker at the moment. But yeah, so once this one is dry, I will just water it, let water run through the drainage hole, and we're good. And you can also do the weighing, like if it's heavy, it's wet. It doesn't need to be watered, but if it's lighter, then you can water it. There goes our burger guy. There we have it. Here's our burger guy with its new inhabitant. I hope it's gonna have a full set of veggies on top, so it's gonna be like a burger with a salad on top. That's the goal. And again, this is Hoya Saba something. I'm gonna type it down here below. And this is Mr. Burger Guy. And then my mug, that apparently is a lefty mug. I'm a right-handed person, but I can adjust just so that I can use this cute little monster with my tea and maybe with my protein smoothie and whatnot. I'm so happy. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and hanging with me and these new collections of mine, ceramic collections. Hopefully Jill doesn't get a hold of it and break it. But yeah, follow us on Instagram at Jillens_plant_corner. Follow us there and comment, like, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you do. Share, and also click that bell button so you will be notified when I upload a new video here on our channel. So once again, thank you very much. Kita tayo next time, and may you always be blessed.